Okay, I'm Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm featuring another Singer 201 today. This is one of the classic black Singers that is straight stitch only machine. It's a true reverse feed. This machine is, I'm just listing it as a worker because it's not the prettiest thing on cosmetics. The decals show some wear, the paint shows some wear and scratching. It's not really crazing or cracking or peeling, but it's just, it's not collector quality. This is a Worker 201. Of course, this uses the Class 66 drop-in bobbin. It has a low shank, and it uses 15x1 needles. Your stitch length and reverse is controlled here. Your bobbin winder is here on the wheel. Cords are in good shape on both the power and the foot pedal. Overall, decent machine, and it runs like a top. It's freshly serviced and ready to go. PDF copy of the instruction manual will be included, sent via email. Some bobbins, a zipper foot, and a seam guide. And some other goodies are included as well. But we'll sew with her. Show you capabilities here. This is just a basic 2-layer piece of fabric. I'm using a size 16 needle. This machine will use up to a size 21, I believe. I have to confirm that in the manual, but I believe both the 15 and the 201s use up to a size 21 needle, which most machines do not do. Their limit is an 18. This machine is a true reverse, forward, reverse, which means that you don't have to use reverse just for tacking and reinforcing. The machine is a true reverse feed. And as you can see, the transition is pretty much effortless. Nice stitches. Built-in work light, of course. Tabletop ready, or of course it can be put into a cabinet or carrying case. 6 layers of Levi's denim, which means real denim, none of that thin, stretchy stuff. This is an actual pair of Levi's that I cut up. Husband gets done with them, they come sewing fodder, so. 6 layers of Levi's, all forward and reverse. See, that was effortless as well with the 6 layers with a perfect balanced consistent stitch. This is 3 layers of garment leather, nothing to sneeze at, about 4-ounce weight. This is not an industrial machine. It's not meant for knife sheaths, saddlebags, or other things like that, but it will handle leather work or upholstery work, but it's not meant to do it 24/7, so you know, you can burn up one of these machines doing that. Perfect stitch. That's nice. There it goes. Beautiful, perfect stitch on 3 layers of leather. Now I'm going to take, this is regular cotton, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 layers of a cotton. Perfect stitch forward and reverse on 16 layers of a cotton blend. And that is your Singer Workhorse Model 201 2. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to point out that it does have the potted motor. That's what I forgot. It's a 2012, which specifies potted motor, which is directly driven, no belt. That's the really good nice thing about the 2012.